Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. On this video, I'm going to try and make an egg flour. I saw the video on the internet and I'd like to try it. First, we have to boil some eggs. Once the water is boiling, let's turn off the heat and let the eggs sit on the hot water for 12 minutes for a hard-boiled egg. Once the eggs are cool enough, let's peel off the shells. So we need some barbecue skewers and a cling wrap. Lay your skewers on top of the food wrap or the cling wrap and side by side, about ½ inch apart. Place your eggs on top of the skewers and roll them, enveloping the eggs with the food wrap and the skewers, sushi roll style. Secure your roll with the hair ties or rubber band. Now place your roll inside the freezer and freeze for an hour. After an hour, take your roll out of the freezer and carefully unwrap the eggs. Slice your eggs crosswise about 1/8 of an inch in width. There you have it, your egg flour. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next video.